Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if you're a legal professional, you've probably noticed that off-the-shelf AI tools can sometimes be, well, let's just say less than helpful. Today, we're diving straight into transforming your standard AI from just a generic chatbot into a highly tailored, partner-level legal assistant. So why is your AI writing like a terrified first-year associate? Right now, your AI probably hedges absolutely every single answer it gives you. It constantly tells you to consult a professional, which, let's be honest, is incredibly frustrating, considering you are the professional. It writes in this generic, overly cautious corporate speak. And the reason for this? It's surprisingly simple. It has literally zero context about who you are, what your firm does, or how you operate. Every time you open a new chat, it's like meeting an amnesia. It just assumes you want the safest, most generic response possible.
Okay, here's our roadmap for onboarding your AI today. We'll cover the generic AI problem, setting up global custom instructions, using project-level workspaces, diving into closed research with Notebook LM, and we'll wrap up with privacy and critical thinking.
Section 1. The generic AI problem. Re-explaining context.
This is the daily frustration almost every legal professional faces, right? Repeating the exact same context over and over. I'm a corporate attorney, use plain language. It's a massive drain on your time. And if you skip it, the output quality completely tanks. Just look at the night and day difference here. AI consultant Liam Barnes points out that the exact same model, given the exact same prompt, yields completely different results based on just 5 minutes of setup. You finally stop getting the endless "it depends" and actually start getting specific statutes and direct partner-level analysis.
Now see that massive 500? That represents the token limit. CA Sunil Patel notes that you can kind of think of tokens as the AI's memory blocks. If you're having a really sprawling conversation, eventually the AI just hits its working memory limit, say around 500 tokens, and it starts dropping your earlier instructions entirely. This makes getting your upfront configuration right absolutely crucial to prevent hallucinations and confusion later on in the chat.
Moving on to Section 2. Global Custom Instructions, the AI Employee Handbook.
So let's look at the fix. Every major platform, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they all have a version of this in their settings. It's essentially the onboarding employee handbook for your AI. Implementing this is just a quick, one-time, 4-step framework. Define your role, set your style, establish for rules, and this is key. State what not to do. You're just trying to embed the core guardrails that apply to all your legal work.
By pasting these specific directives right into the custom instructions or personal context settings of your platform, you instantly knock out about half of the generic, unhelpful outputs you usually get. I mean, look at that last one. Don't open with "great question." If you use AI a lot, you know exactly how weirdly agreeable and repetitive it gets. Telling it what not to do is honestly just as powerful as telling it what to do. Setting this baseline tells the AI exactly who you are from the jump.
All right, Section 3. Project-level workspaces, the matter files.
Once your AI knows who you are globally, we have to create dedicated spaces for what you're working on. Because let's face it, every single client has a totally different fact pattern. As you can see broken down here, if global instructions are your firm's baseline, project spaces are the specific matter files. You basically create a dedicated workspace, upload the relevant contracts or notices, and give it instructions specific only to that engagement. Combine this with your global instructions, and you just eliminated 90% of the repetitive context setting you used to do.
Oh, and pro tip, always start your prompt with this exact phrase. Explore the documents in this project. And then, you see, when you open a new chat inside a project workspace, it doesn't always automatically read every single document you've stored in there. This little magic phrase basically forces the AI to draw on the full context of the matter file before it even tries to formulate an answer for you.
Section 4. Closed Research with Notebook LM, the private library.
For highly technical work, think massive compliance manuals, GST circulars, or really complex tax litigation, open systems introduce the risk of hallucinations. They're pulling from vast general internet training data, which means we need a much more controlled environment. That brings us to Notebook LM. Unlike standard chatbots that just scour the whole internet and might make things up, Notebook LM only reads the up to 100 source documents you actually give it, like ICI materials or specific case PDFs. You are essentially building a private, secure library.
CA Sunil Patel highlights a great point here. When you ask Notebook LM a question, it only looks for the answer within the 4 walls of the documents you provided. If it's not there, it won't just make something up. This tool is an absolute game changer. Just imagine taking a highly technical 50-page legal circular and having the AI instantly generate a crystal-clear infographic for your clients, or turning a dense case file into a podcast-style audio summary you can literally listen to on your commute. You can trust the output completely.
One of the absolute best practical uses for this is timeline extraction. Instead of spending hours manually flipping through pages to figure out when an audit started or when a notice was issued, like the sequence from January to June shown here, you just drop the PDFs into the workspace. It pulls out a perfect chronology in maybe 5 minutes, letting you instantly assess any time bar or limitation issues of a case. It is fantastic.
Which brings us to Section 5, Privacy and Critical Thinking, Essential Guardrails. As we wrap up this onboarding process, we have to talk about the 2 non-negotiables for legal professionals: data privacy and maintaining your edge. Because while these tools are incredibly powerful, they obviously come with immense professional responsibility. You've got to protect your firm.
Now, your global custom instructions, that's just your professional profile. That's perfectly safe. But when dealing with actual case facts, you have to rely exclusively on paid business tier accounts that legally protect your inputs. And even then, the golden rule always remains: anonymize everything. Use company A and company B, never ever real client names.
CA Sunil Patel really hits the nail on the head with this quote. You don't have to become paralyzed by this. When things become easy, you stop critical thinking. And if you stop critical thinking, you are finished. A configured AI is a brilliant assistant, but the second you just blindly accept a beautiful timeline or a perfectly structured argument, you've lost your edge. The AI is there to draft and assist, but you, the human, must remain the expert validating every single output.
So, how will you start onboarding your AI today? Look, the tools are waiting. Take 5 minutes right now to set your global instructions and start treating your AI like the capable but incredibly context-hungry associate that it is. The question isn't whether AI will transform legal work, it's whether you'll be the one directing it or the one left behind. The power is literally at your fingertips. Thanks for joining us for this explainer, and we'll catch you next time.